Hi guys! This is John again from Johndam District and welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago ka, please don't forget to subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. At syempre guys, for today's video guys, another application na naman tayo kung saan tayo pwedeng kumita online. At ang kinaganda dito guys ay ang most requested na makapag-cash out through GCash. So pwede ka makapag-cash out dito through GCash for 200 pesos or 100 pesos. And for this video guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng application, yung interface niya, at kung ano yung mga pwedeng rewards na pwede nyo ma-redeem. So guys, napaka-user-friendly ng application na to, and to be honest with you, it took me a while bago makapag-cash out dito kasi medyo madalang yung survey, pero based naman sa aking observation, legit naman siya at paying talaga siya through GCash or other rewards. At syempre, umpisa na natin, wag na natin patagalin pa. So guys, ito nga pala yun. So ang una nyong gagawin guys is magsa-sign up kayo dito. So you just need to click get started. And then the next thing that you will do is to complete your profile, take part in research, and discover your influence. And then click nyo lang yung get started para makapag-start kayo. And syempre guys, as mentioned earlier, kailangan nyo muna mag-sign up. So kung wala kayong account, click nyo lang yung sign up button. And guys, after nyo i-click, magsaselect kayo ngayon ng language or region. So ako guys, sinelect kong Philippines dito or Filipino. And then next is, there will be a pop-up. Ako ang lagi kong chinecheck yan is ask app not to track. And then let's just wait for the page to load up. Next thing guys is maglagay kayo ng mga information ninyo. Your email address must be active. And then your password as well. And of course guys, pagkatapos nyo mag-fill up, lalabas yung page na to na almost done. And then the next thing that you need to do is to confirm your email. Open nyo lang yung email nyo and then there will be an option for you to confirm your email. Tagalog na Tagalog yan guys kasi nga sinelect ko is Filipino dun sa language nung beginning ng video na to. Next thing guys is kailangan nyo mag-verify. To complete your profile, you need to enter a valid phone number and then merong code na masisend sa inyong email address or no, sa inyong phone number, sorry. And then i-enter nyo lang yung code and then click confirm lang after. After nyo guys mag-enter ng phone number at ma-verify, you just need to answer yung mga other personal information like your address, your municipality, your gender, and there's more. And then after that, mapupunta kayo sa page na to. And of course guys, after that, mapupunta na kayo agad sa homepage na to. So guys, napakadaling gamitin ng application na to. Very basic. Kung may survey, lalabas yan dyan and then i-take nyo na lang. Pero at this moment, wala pang survey na available. So, makikita nyo dyan, wala ring balance ang aking points. Or wala pang points dito sa account na to kasi nakaka-create lang. So, at next natin guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwede nyo maklaim. So, itong Soso Daily or Digital Voucher for 200 pesos. And of course, ang madalas na hinahanap ngayon guys is yung digital e-wallet which is cash out for 200 pesos for 2,300 points and then 100 pesos naman. And syempre guys, share ko na sa inyo yung pangalan ng application. It's ipsos iSay. As what you can see guys, maganda ang ratings and review nito kaya siguradong legit yan. That's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong. If you have any comment, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!